I rock like pebble, jump in sheet, you hear this beat, coming like heavy metal. If you got a business, bro, please set it in stone like rock. I came with a brand new book. Like man, have guys all shop, don't like Uzi, but this thing rocks. Rock. I know you wanna hear some hi-hats. Tick, tack to the top. Matter of fact, play that bass, don't disgrace, let it embrace. I know you like this new taste, lit, don't let it go to waste. Yeah, could come clean like Mark. See this thing rocks. Man had a dreadful year. That's the reason why I cut off my locks. God tested me just like mocks. The days where I trap like warm. Man's murking this just like storms. I don't even like my veg where you talking round me but corn. Gang. If you're mad, say it with your chest. I'm really trying to check me. I'm trying to see where you're on so I know that you're off. You might as well start, just press play. And I'm quite cold, coming like a virtual cock. Cause you're on the other side of the phone. If I don't like the bass or the pitch of your tone, I'll tell a man leave me alone. Gang. I rock like pebble, jump in sheet, you hear this beat, coming like heavy metal. If you got a business, bro, please set it in stone like rock. I came with a brand new book. Like man, have guys all shop, don't like Uzi, but this thing rocks. Rock. I know you wanna hear some hi-hats. Tick, tack to the top. Matter of fact, play that bass, don't disgrace, let it embrace. I know you like this new taste, lit, don't let it go to waste. Yeah, could come clean like Mark. My dog. This thing rock like Wyler. You think you're fine, you ain't ling my friend, you ain't finger than Skylar Tyler. No, you ain't linger than her. Can't wait till I get my whip and skirt. Or I get a diamond chain like Burr. Or I get a thing that screams up her. Me and bro come different. I'm like summer, he's like winter. Play like TT, they can tell a man bit from all that smoke. Look, why you tryna take that toll? Had a sweet one, asked my call, and I was like, no, I don't really use that. She wanna stick to the boy like blue cat. I rock like pebble, jump in sheet, you hear this beat, coming like heavy metal. If you got a business, bro, please set it in stone like rock. I came with a brand new book. Like man, have guys all shop, don't like Uzi, but this thing rocks. Rock. I know you wanna hear some hi-hats. Tick, tack to the top. Matter of fact, play that bass, don't disgrace, let it embrace. I know you like this new taste, lit, don't let it go to waste. Yeah, could come clean like Mark. Could come clean like Mark. Clean like Mark. Could come clean like Mark. Could come clean like Mark. Clean like Mark. Could come clean like Mark. Clean like Mark. Could come clean like Mark.
I just sit for the car, somebody calls me, like, just keep fucking hanging in there no matter what, man. Just do your fucking part, keep showing up, you know, no matter what. Just keep fucking showing up and don't fucking give up, no matter what.
Bread on a Margiela jean, bands busting out the scene. I hit that once if I want, I hit that twice if I need. I like how she bad, might be the one, but I'm on the grind so I leave. He get shot like for the fleet, cause I brought my dogs to the beach. I got a top in my reach, I got a tall mini me. I got all calls D&D, she wanna talk so I keep. She get hit, I leave. Said she like the neck tag meaning. She on the AWOL type of life, she in the back for a reason. I'm in the backseat cleaning, I gotta text me a demon. With all of my boys like JT, cause we in the back street scheming. Fuck what you heard, what you seeing. She got that whack Cardi B in. I'm in and out like I'm being. They got a lie just to be in. I drank water out the hole. Big bang, busting out the jeans. Big tank, driving up the road. My life and what it seems. Sipping on spearmint tea. I'm trying to get bro off codeine. I'm making one call, these guys pull up too quick for the whole scene. Blue thread on a Margiela jean. Bands busting out the scene. I hit that once if I want, I hit that twice if I need. I like how she bad, might be the one, but I'm on the grind so I leave. He get shot like for the fleas, cause I brought my dogs to the beach. I got a top in my reach, I got a tall mini me. I got all calls D&D, she wanna talk so I keep. She get hit, I leave. Said she like the neck tag meaning. She on the AWOL type of life, she in the back for a reason.
You ain't come. What's the point of building bridges if they burst you up and run? Guess I'm gon' count these funds, getting money my only fun. Can't wait till I blow up just like a TNT. Just tell me how you feeling, what you see in me. I need my crystal business, bitch, a B&B. Back then when I was myself around. For those who wanna down, don't get too close to people. I had to set that boundary. I had to cut my bitch. She had my mental drowning. I'm riding with my blick. If he try me, I might down him. I put that on my kids. I pulled up in a drop top. You used to see my ribs. I kick it with this thought. She tryna swap my kids. I'm riding with this chopper. Got one inside the head. And I said fuck it. Guess all that shit we been through, it just don't add up to nothing. Remember time I brought that bank out just so I could get you something. Invested all this time and you just left with no discussion. Same bitch that stabbed my back said I won't fold on you for nothing. It's like we made some plans and I showed up but you ain't come. What's the point of building bridges if they break she up and run? Guess I'm gon' count these funds, getting money my only fun. And I said fuck it. Guess all that shit we been through, it just don't add up to nothing. Remember time I brought that bank out just so I could get you something. Invested all this time and you just left with no discussion. Same bitch that stabbed my back said I won't fold on you for nothing. It's like we made some plans and I showed up but you ain't come. What's the point of building bridges if they break she up and run? Guess I'm gon' count these funds, getting money my only fun.